Hi guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we'll be looking at another low mintage coin, and that being the 1985 10 cent coin. I was going to say 50. 10 cent coin, and these ones are all been taken out of circulation. I don't find too many of these. I probably only have a little bit more than what we've got here, but yeah, a lot of them are in this sort of grade when I do find them, but very difficult to come across. So we'll have a look. I've got here also a slabbed version. So this is a 1985 with a mint state of 67. So it's fairly high grade. Mint state goes up to 70. So this being a 67 is a fairly high grade. I picked up this one fairly cheap a few years back, but yeah, it's certainly a nice coin that's possibly come from a mint set. So I mean, if you look at the difference between a circulated coin, which this would have at one stage looked very similar to that, and you can see what time has done to this coin, but this one being slabbed and locked away will stay in very good condition for the rest of my life, certainly. So yeah, there's a big difference between the two. You can see the nice luster and shine, and these guys are very dull. So let's have a look at the mintage. So I'll go over to the RAM Royal Australian Mint website, and I've got the figures up here. So we can see down there we've got 1985 and a mintage of 2 million. So that 2 million makes this coin the second lowest minted 10 cent coin. If you've seen a previous video, you will know that we've had a look at the 2011 10 cent coin, which had a mintage of only 1.7. So this one being 2 million, very similar numbers. And if we have a look down here, just a little bit of speculation. Okay, so the 2018 half-yearly report, so coins that were made in the first half of 2018, they're saying there is 30,000 coins. So depending on what they made in the second half of 2018, we won't know until the annual report comes out. But if you're not finding many of these, it could be a very low mintage coin. So keep an eye on the 2018 10 cent coin. So just come back here for a moment. So I checked recent figures of sales for these guys on eBay, which I like to do, and they've been selling for I suppose in a mint set condition, so uncirculated, for anywhere from $5 through to $10 each. I wasn't able to see really any sort of sales for circulated coins, so I'm not sure what their value is. You're probably about to sell them for a couple of dollars each in this sort of grade, but certainly they are hard to come by. And yeah, I suppose spending $5 to $10 for a high grade coin is certainly better value than buying one of these at $2. So yeah, especially if you want to have a nice set. Alright guys, well I hope you've enjoyed looking at the 1985 10 cent coin. Keep an eye out for those, certainly worth more than 10 cents and well worth keeping and collecting. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye.